Hey everybody, Bob here. I've been thinking about doing a video about something that I've been pondering for about a couple of months. And that is, I was thinking about fragrances and perfumes that can do it all, like Swiss Army knives, right? And a lot of designers can be put under that category. But I was thinking of niche or exclusives, and that's a hard one, right? Because niche is like pinpointing a certain, part of your wardrobe. So I was thinking about, I'm sure they're out there, and I have a very small collection. Do I have a niche or an exclusive that is like a Swiss Army knife? Kind of like number 5 is. I guess this video is more for the ladies, but Chanel number 5 can do it all. It can be worn any time of the year, in my opinion. So I was thinking about something more niche or exclusive, and I thought of this a month ago. And I think I'm kind of right. And it is, Chanel seems to do it. Like for designers, my first Swiss Army knife was Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. Now I have this song on for a reason. Number one, the Grateful Dead doesn't flag you. They don't care who duplicates this song. And it's apropos. So that perfume I'm thinking about is definitely Comète. I think Comète is a Swiss Army knife, and you could wear it all year round in all occasions, in my opinion. Did you catch that last one? Let me play it one more time. I know this is kind of non-professional, but Comète is the sugar magnolia of niche perfumes. So it was staring me right in the face. So, summertime, you know that I love to rock this even in the summertime or spring when it's hot, because of the powderiness. All right, it's a vanilla perfume to me. It's almond. Obviously, it's floral. I have some of this on my hand here. Think of an exclusive or a niche that's a Swiss Army knife. So, and then the violet, of course, I love. And in the Dead song, they highlight rays of violet. And the cherry accord, fantasy cherry accord is just so magical. It's so magical. So, in my opinion, a niche or exclusive that's a Swiss Army knife and that can do it all is Chanel Comète. And I looked over all, my Guerlains and Dior's, and couldn't think of one. So then I came to Comète after listening to the song like over and over again in my lifetime, and I thought of Comète. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it, especially if you're a Chanel lover. It's my opinion. If you're a Chanel lover, ladies, this is a must try, and bordering on a must have if you're a Chanel lover. Proud to have my limited edition Comète packaging. So without going further into detail and stuff, I think you can wear this any time of the year. I mean, the wintertime, spray it on your clothes all over. In the summertime, spray it regular, and then the powder will keep you fresh, dry, and smiling throughout the day, in my opinion. There's no slouch. This will last all day. It's a nutty vanilla floral, in my opinion. And as a guy, I love to rock it myself. Let me know what you think in the comments. On the back of the label, I didn't know this for years, it says Eau de Parfum. Until a friend of mine said, hey, check the back. I didn't know. So that's my shtick. And for now, I think it's True Blue. Love the violet note in here. Love it. I'm a violet lover. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have Comète. Let me know if you want to try it. So Swiss Army knife. Oh, I forgot to get my Swiss Army knife. Yeah, that would have been a good prop. But until the next video, I'll holler at you. Bobby O signing out, and it might be a Chanel day. Back to my song.